What is going on, my S1000RR Moto family? I hope you all are doing great. Right now we're back at the Wawa. We are here in the memorial of a young man named Z that passed away in a motorcycle accident about a year ago. All meeting up in memory of a fallen rider. So right now we're about to head out. We were here for a minute just waiting for other riders to get here and just having a good time. I mean, right now it's just about enjoying the ride, enjoying the family. My man David, him and I at some point, we're gonna link up, and I want to do a review on his S1000RR and him hop on this one and do like a review, which is gonna be kind of cool. So yeah, we're about to. We got my man over here on the R1. Yeah, he's pretty stoked. I'm pretty stoked to work with him. We had a little side note chat. He's a follower of the YouTube channel, which he told me like a lot of stuff is a lot of the things that he watched, he's like, you know, pretty impressed, and he's learned some stuff from building his bike from watching my YouTube channel when I had the R1. So it's pretty cool to meet somebody who, it's kind of surreal, that follows you on the channel. I met 3 different people. My man over here, and there's another guy who's a Harley rider, but my man over there, Pete, his name is Pete over there. He rides a Harley also, and he follows me on the channel, and he was like stoked. So this is kind of surreal, man. My channel is starting to grow. Hey, my channel, oh man, that's ugly. Wow, way to ruin the moment. Go ahead, my man. This man right here. Yeah, shout out. Go ahead, boy. Go ahead. Show up to Harley Davidson. All riders are welcome in my world, man. All riders. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, like, this is pretty dope. I'm super excited to watch this. These are the people that follow my channel, which is kind of crazy. Okay, we're staggering here. I'm trying to talk and there's too much going on at one shot. Oh my god, it's so surreal. Like, I met 3 different people who followed my channel here, and it's amazing. It's great. I love talking about bikes. I love seeing people's different perspective on different things. You know what I'm saying? Like my man right here on the R1, he came from Pennsylvania. He's still rocking the Pennsylvania plate. He's cool as hell, man. I mean, like, it was kind of dope. We were chatting for a while and how he wants to grow his channel. And I'm talking about you. Check this out. This is crazy. That's insane. Look at the amount of people that are here and the amount of people that are back here. So we are all like, this is great. This is amazing. So the turnout was great. Let's go. I'm excited. I'm super excited, man. This is, even though it's for a good cause, we're doing this for an amazing cause. This is what I'm talking about when you join a motorcycle family. It's a family, which is amazing to me, how everyone comes together in a time of need. And it could be anything. When I say time of need, it could be you're struggling financially, or if you got hurt in some sort of an accident, you're in the hospital, etc., etc. I mean, these are things that the family helps out. This is a motorcycle crew is a tight-knit family. This is it right here. They're pretty impressive how everyone just comes together for a good cause. I'm really hoping that this microphone is capturing everything I'm saying, because I'm back with the Shoei. Nobody purchased it. Nobody ended up purchasing this helmet, so I said, you know what, I'm just gonna use it. And I strapped on the GoPro and mounted it up, and what I did was I hid the microphone a little bit further, and what I can do on my end is fix the audio on post-production. But I kind of hid it to get rid of the wind noise, so hopefully this works. I'm guessing it'll pick up most of the audio from the mic place, and rather than have it really close to my mouth, I just have it further back, and it captures. I in my mind, I think it's going to capture the audio just fine. Yeah, rock it out, yeah, buddy. Hey. Man, I can't wait till my bike sounds like that. This thing is too quiet. Kind of cool. Whoa, easy. See, this is that right there. I don't know. That's kind of cool. He's capturing his the footage sideways. He's turning on his GoPro as we go. My man taking footage right there. That's Pete. That's the other Pete. That's kind of cool. I met another Pete. This is so surreal. I don't know. This is not the moment in time for talking about this, but I'm really stoked. Like, I've never had someone approach me and say, yo, are you Salso Moto? I'm like, yeah. Like, what do you say to that? This is 3 different occasions in one spot where, like, yo, you Salso Moto? I follow your channel. I'm like, what? That's dope. I'm excited about this. Yeah, he's cool as hell. He's trying to start up a YouTube channel. I said, yo, I told him we should link up. My last video, I told him that I wanted to link up with people who are interested in making content and putting up YouTube videos of what they do. I am down for that, so I'm gonna teach him the ropes. I don't know how far he is with as far as recording and then editing video, and, you know, the whole process. I'm not sure where he is, how familiar or where he is with the process of creating content, because of course, you know, when you're starting off, you're creating your own content, you're uploading your own content. Now you gotta think about things like, you know, thumbnails. Then you gotta think about things like, do I want an intro and outro? Some people have an intro and outro, other people don't, and they do very well. It's just all about putting out good content. Like I said, I'm gonna put up my Instagram page up here so you guys can see. If you guys want to reach out to me, like I said, I'm down for bringing people's content up, you know. Like, I'm under 1K subscribers, but I am having so much fun with just creating content. Woo. It's all about adding your own flair and adding your own flavor to the mix of how you want things to look.
Grizzly Beats Productions.
Are you ready? Here we go.
You're from PA. Huh? You're from PA. Why are you doing a crip walk like you're from the west side? My man. guide these guys in. My man jamming out. That's what's up. He jamming out. This guy all going crazy. Yeah. That's dope.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day.
Yeah, we hit up Twin Peaks and we went to the spot to pay our respects to Z, who was a fellow rider who passed away. I didn't record anything out of respect from the family. Didn't know how they felt about it, so I just stayed away and just let them do their thing. We said a prayer, we said our goodbyes and paid respects. Nothing, we just came to Twin Peaks now. We had a nice group ride, and now we are on our way to head home. So it was a nice little get together. It's a sad reality of, you know, what bikers have to go through. It sucks, it really does, but it's the nature of the beast. We have to just be as careful as possible and just make sure that we are riding safely. Be aware of those surrounding you, because they might not, we're such a small vehicle on the road, but they may not see us. Even though these things are so much fun to ride, we have to be very careful. That's the reality of the whole thing. With that being said, my Salsa Moto family, you guys be safe, be careful, just stay positive and stay blessed. I will check out with you guys on the next video.